friends. I'm Nicole with Kids OT Help, and welcome back to our Tummy Time series. So this is part 2 of 3. If you have not checked out part 1, I will link it up above. Be sure to check that one out before watching this video. So here in part 2, we will be covering tummy time for ages 0 to 3 months of age. But before we get going, I want to let you guys know that down below in the description box, I have put together a developmental milestone chart for ages 0 to 12 months. It is completely free. All you have to do is click the link below, print it out, put it on your fridge. It's a great resource for you to follow along and see what developmental milestones are coming up next for your baby. All right, guys, let's get into it. By 3 months of age, your baby should be able to tolerate tummy time for approximately 20 to 30 minutes a day. Now, this can be broken up into sessions ranging from 2 to 5 minutes or longer, depending on your infant's tolerance. A quick tip for you guys to consider is including tummy time after a diaper change. This makes it super easy for you to just know that you're getting the 20 to 30 minutes in without trying to keep track of how many sessions you've done daily. So at this age, you will see that during tummy time, your infant is able to lift their head, their neck, and their trunk. And all of this hard work is increasing their strength in their shoulders, their neck, and their back. Not only is tummy time making these muscles stronger, but it's also providing a lot of sensory feedback to your infant about where their body is in space. By 3 months of age, your infant's vision is becoming clearer, but it definitely has some ways to go before they can focus as well as we can as adults. So as you can tell by the picture, your 3-month-old is better able to bring close objects into focus, and the ability to see more colors is developing. By 3 months of age, your infant should be stimulated visually by toys, and they can track objects that are moving in front of them. However, they won't yet be demonstrating the coordination necessary to reach for items yet. So as you guys can see, the exercise ball remains a staple that can be used at various ages for tummy time. I do have a link in the description box below for some other recommended products that I've used successfully during tummy time as well. So as you can tell, there's a clear difference in your infant's head and neck control now versus when they were newborns. I'm able to move Kai in various planes, and he's able to keep his head relatively upright with little to no difficulty. These changes in movements allow for different muscle groups to be worked and challenged that might otherwise get less attention than some other larger muscle groups. You might have also noticed that around 2 months of age, your baby will be able to shift most of their weight back towards the pelvis and legs, which will free up their arms, their trunk, their head, and their neck for a greater range of motion, which will eventually allow them to reach for items with their hands. Another tummy time tip to consider is to increase the visual components of tummy time by throwing some Christmas lights in front of your kiddo. Consider using a light filtering blanket over the lights to decrease the brightness, but you can add colored lights or lights that twinkle to music, whatever you think might get your little one's attention. When it comes to positions, in prior clips you've seen the babies placed on the floor, the large exercise ball, and even a mini boppy pillow. And now I'm showing you guys the football hold. I've had a lot of success calming Kai in this position. It might also benefit babies who have excessive gas, as it provides gentle pressure to the tummy, which can help to move the gas. In this position, your infant's legs straddle your forearm, and your hand provides support at their chest, while your fingers help to support their head. All right, guys, that's going to do it for part 2 of Tummy Time. Be sure to catch all 3 videos in our Tummy Time series. And if you haven't subscribed, click the little box here in the corner for updates on my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.